Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Also, welcome to my big forehead. Holy cow, that sucker is humongous. Oh my god. So today we're doing something that I'm not super excited about, I'm gonna be honest. Today I'm gonna be doing an extreme closet clean out, and I'm somebody that I just find it so hard to part with clothes. Like, I don't know why. Even if I haven't worn something in forever, I just have a hard time parting with it. Like, I'll be in my head thinking like, maybe there's one time where you wear it and you know, you need it for this certain time. And not only do I have a hard time parting with clothes, I have a lot of clothes. Like a lot. Should we just get into it? So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what my closet looks like. It's really nothing special. There's a lot of clothes crammed in there and not a lot of room. So we really need to kick some clothes to the curb, okay? Also, I just wanna say that I will be donating all the clothes that I get rid of today. So this is the first thing that you see when you look into my closet. This is kind of just all like t-shirts, sweaters, long sleeves, all of that stuff. That's what it looks like over there. A big giant pile of mess. That's what it is basically. All of this is pretty much tank tops, dresses, crop tops. The rest of the stuff down here is like bathing suits, shoes, purses, just kind of random stuff like that. So yeah, that's what my closet looks like. It's pretty small. It's like pretty long. Like, I have a lot of length to my closet, but it's really not wide whatsoever. So what I've decided, I think this is the best way for me to do it, is I'm gonna take everything out of my closet and just dump it on the floor. That way I feel like I'll have more of an incentive to actually get rid of clothes instead of just putting it right back into my closet, you know what I mean? Let's get started. So, I'm already overwhelmed. I just started. Great. So we have one rack completely done there, and this is what it's looking like. That all came off of one rack. Yikes. And now we have all of this. I am the least excited for this part because there's so much on this. I don't know if you can tell, but there's so much just crammed on this one little rack, shelf. What do you call this? I don't even know. You know, it's really hard to get stuff done when you have a little dog that likes to be held all the time. This guy right here. What are you thinking right now? You looking at all the clothes on the ground? He's like, girl, I'm just happy I'm not the one doing it. Okay, how in the world did all of this come out of my closet? Like, I don't even know if you guys can tell how big this pile really is, but it's humongous. Like, look at this. Oh my God. And now the hard part actually starts, because now I have to go through all this and decide what I'm gonna give away, what I'm gonna keep. And I know this is gonna be so hard for me. So everything is out of my closet. I think the best way to do this is I'm only gonna try on clothes that I'm like unsure about, because if I tried on every single piece of clothing right here, we would be here all day. This is the first piece that I pulled out right here. It's actually just a leopard or cheetah print maxi dress, and I am definitely keeping this. I love it. I got this from AliExpress and it's just like so nice. This is another dress right here that I'm definitely keeping. It's like a wrap style dress and it's one of my favorite pieces. I love this so much. I'm probably just gonna start speeding things up a little bit, so I'll just show the item and I'll put on camera if I'm keeping it or not. Okay, this dress I'm gonna try on because I remember there being something about this dress that I just did not like at all. So I remember what I didn't like about this dress. It's way too big right here. Otherwise, it's a really pretty dress. I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. This is the first piece we're getting rid of. I'm a little proud of myself. Okay, this dress makes me so sad because I love everything about it except the shoulders. Like, what are these? Like, just imagine if it was like this. That would be perfect, but so as much as I want this dress to work, it's just not going to for me, so I think I'm gonna donate this one. I got from Wish a while ago. I think I hauled it in one of my very extra Wish videos. I think it might have been like the second one that I made, but honestly, it's just really not my style anymore, and I feel like it could go to somebody else that would definitely wear this and rock it, so I'm gonna donate this one. Okay, this is very cute, but it's honestly just like not my style anymore, so giving it away. I feel like I've been getting rid of a lot of dresses, but this is another one where I saw it on the website and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. But then when I actually got it and, you know, tried it on, I was like, don't really like this on me. It just doesn't fit the way I really wanted it to, so I'm gonna donate it. I've had this dress for so long, you guys, like literally years. I would probably say close to 4 or 5 years. And I just feel like it's time to let go of it. I don't really wear it anymore. It's not really my style. I'm not huge on the like high-low trend anymore. So this one is pretty much like the same story as the last dress. I've had it for so long. I really like the colors of it. I think it's so pretty, but one thing I'm not really into anymore is this like frilly part at the front. It's just not really my style, and this one's kind of killing me to give it away because in the back of my head I'm thinking, oh, just keep it. You know, maybe you'll wear it at one point, but I know I won't, so I'm gonna give it away. When I first got this dress, I was obsessed with it. Like, I thought it was the cutest thing ever, but I feel like my style has changed quite a bit. Like, I only got this, oh my god, maybe 6 months ago, something like that. I'm not really sure. I'm terrible with time. But yeah, I got it not too long ago, and I feel like my style has just changed so much. And I think this could go to somebody else that would really rock it and pull it off. It was cute on the website, okay? I promise it was, but it just doesn't look good on me, so donating it. So this dress is actually from Wish, but I have pretty much the exact same one from Fashion Nova that I like better, and this one just never gets worn. This flannel used to be my absolute favorite. Like, I was seriously obsessed with flannels. I had one in like every single color. Like, even though I don't wear this at all anymore, I have such a hard time giving this away because it used to be my favorite. Like, I wore it all the time. Why am I like this? I'm gonna give it away. I don't wear it anymore. I won't wear it again. Somebody else will wear it. I just talked myself into doing it. So this is a leather vest that I thrifted a really long time ago, and I don't think I've ever worn it, honestly. Okay, it looks so funny with what I have on right now. I like it, but I just don't think I'll ever wear it, so I think I'm gonna donate this one. Okay, so I'm basically like more than halfway through this now, and for some reason I just started to feel so overwhelmed. Like, I'm looking at the pile of clothes that I'm deciding to give away, and I just keep like rethinking it and overthinking it. But I mean, I guess the good thing is I don't have much to go through anymore, just a little bit left here, and then I'm done. Does anybody else get like this too? Because this is a big reason why I never go through my clothes, because I start to get like annoyed, overwhelmed, but I think it's gonna be worth it in the end, so I'm gonna go continue to go through this stuff. Okay guys, so this is the pile that I've decided to donate right here. This is the pile that I'm keeping, but I do wear all the stuff. I really like this stuff, so I'm not gonna donate this. I know this pile doesn't look very big compared to that, but it still is quite a bit, and I'm proud of myself for actually being able to give it away. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I am actually very impressed with myself that I was able to let go of all that clothes, because halfway through it there, I was getting a little bit like, uh-oh, I don't know, but I realized that, you know, if I'm not wearing something and I'm never gonna wear it, why am I keeping it? You know what I mean? I do have an entire pants drawer that I haven't gone through yet. Like, this was just all in my main closet. I do have a like chest or a drawer full of pants. So if you want to see me go through that, I definitely can do a video on that for sure. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram. It's always linked down below. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!